Sometimes you got a super annoying squealy hinge like this. Okay, well, you gotta lubricate this one. You can either take the hinge pin out with a hammer and a nail, but that takes banging, and I try to avoid it if I can. Or you can try this one, my chain cleaner with a, my chain lubricant with a long straw that gets used this way. You can see that between the hinge leaves there are some gaps there, so that's where the lube is gonna go in, and it's gonna be lubricating between these hinge barrels there, because it's squealy between those points, not so much there where it's touching, that one where it's touching and it's in contact, and also the rotation around the hinge pin itself generates some friction, and that's squealy. So where it's gappy, I try to squeeze in some of this chain lubricant, and let me see, where do I put my hand here so you can see it, and this is how it looks like from up close. And there, something done there. Let me try it there, even though it's super tight there, and a little bit there, so the chain lube runs down on the inside of the hinges surfaces. That was a little overshot, but there. You get the idea. Alright, let's see that one. The upper one is still squealy, so yeah, let's play with this one. Yeah, I need to fix the upper one as well. It's pissing me off first thing in the morning. But this lower one is good now.